You mean,
Slop on my knob, like corn on the cob. And with me, and do your job.
Oh, I fucked up.
Let's run a train.
How do you still? Should you be reloading by now? Just dying. Can you breathe? Oh! Ah! Oh! Alright, let's do
You and
this.
Dirt. You and Dirt.
Oh, me and Dirt. AKs? Sure. Alright. Corn on the cob.
Not ready for that.
Oh, alright. Go when the timer comes out. Back up. Seriously, dog? It's the only time you're gonna hit me. Yeah, like, what the fuck was that? Accidental headshot.
Alright, what was it?
Accidental headshot immediately, yeah. It's you and Derp. Go fuck Derp up.
Alright. Oh, you can.
Okay.
Alright, let's go there. Bro, you gotta be hurting right now.
Yeah, what's your health
wow. Dirt.
Alright, Dirt. Ready? Go. What? Okay.
Damn.
This kid, like, literally went AFK. Or whatever that music was like I was playing, just literally like spook her energy up.
Let's run a train.
How do you still? Should you be reloading by now? Just dying. It's my study time. It's only 7 here. Get fucking hit.
Fuck studying. What are you, university? Hit him in the fucking tank. Headshot him. Headshot him.
Stop running. Stop running.
Stop resisting.
Just saved your life.
Oh, SpaghettiOs.
What's up? What's up?
Which one's Derp?
The blue one.
He took off his clothes.
Daniel's hit.
So mine, bitch.
Daniel's
Honestly,
dead.
didn't think you would peek that part.
He's hit.
One more cost, bro. I'm gone.